Lovers of good food, let's do this one again. As you are celebrating this Christmas season, may you share love around you and make sure that these snacks is not missing in your home. I wish you all a very memorable and wonderful Christmas. Now let's begin. In a clean bowl, I will sieve in flour, add in sugar, nutmeg, salt and baking powder. Mix to combine very well. Then you add in your egg. You are going to use 4 eggs on this recipe. Add in your milk. The reason why we are using 4 eggs is to achieve this yellow color you are seeing. So once you mix very well, you will now go in with your butter and continue mixing until you achieve a perfect and palatable dough. Please do not forget to check the description box where I will list all the ingredients and their measurements. Cover and put it inside fridge to rest. Then in another clean bowl, you sieve in your flour. This time around, you are going to add only sugar and milk. Mix to achieve a perfect dough also. Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting recipe. If today is your first time, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now to the first dough, I'm going to sprinkle some flour on a work surface and begin to knead it until I achieve the flatness I want. If you are enjoying this video, you can also tell us where you are watching from so that we'll give you a shout out in our next video. Once I'm done rolling it, I will set it aside. Then to the second dough, I'm going to repeat the same process I did to the first one. Now I'm going to lay the second dough on top of the first one and cut out the excess parts, just as I'm doing on this video. After cutting the excess parts, I'm going to cut to square shape.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't no moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate the lifestyle activate. Pan dey hot oil dey fry. Onions dey dance, aroma dey fly. Add the pepper, let's bust more. Now this kind taste go make you fall. In chai kitchen and lifestyle. Garlic chop chop, ginger slice.
Now once I'm done cutting, I'm going to get one part of it and fold it opposite each other. Fold the first one front and the second one backward. Watch carefully to see how I did it.
Now this kind taste go make you fall. In chai kitchen and lifestyle. Garlic chop chop, ginger slice. A flavor baku, no need dice. Stay slow, let it simmer. Today's menu not certified.
That is very easy. Okay, I'm going to repeat the process again so that you will pay more attention. Fold on opposite side front and fold on opposite side backward to get this particular shape.
Flavor day, sweet like sauce with the reggae sway. Up no delay. Afrobeat for your food all day. Cook I'm slow, vibe I'm sweet. Like the lifestyle when we dey eat. From the stew to the pot to the beat. Make it bubble till we complete. Sizzle, step, taste and turn. Every spice you take its turn. Now for this kitchen we did burn. Flavor vibes from night till morn. Chai kitchen and lifestyle. Chai kitchen and lifestyle. Chai kitchen and lifestyle. Chai kitchen and lifestyle. Apron on, camera roll. Now content time we dey take control. Snap that shot, show that plate. Presentation a heavyweight. Not your love, not effort, not yam. With a sprinkle of love and palm. Cooking no be work, not vibe. If you know the dance, you know the tribe. Who the cooker? And the cooker. Who the chopper? We the chopper.
Finally, look at what we have. Then in a moderate oil, I'm going to add them and fry on a low heat. Remember to flip them over and do not use high heat to fry them. Once it turns golden brown like this, take them out from heat, spread on a parchment paper to cool down and also to drain off excess oil. Repeat the same process to the second set if you have any that is left out. Even if you want to start this as a commercial business, you can make a lot of money with this. Remember to share this video to your loved ones. You never can tell who you are helping out. Now that the snacks is ready and it's cold, you can preserve this for longer shelf life by putting it in an airtight container and place it on your kitchen shelf, or you can put it inside your fridge. You can also enjoy this with your tea, coffee, soft drink, fruit juice, or just milk or water. You can also use this as a Christmas gift to your neighbors. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate all of you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload another recipe. Once again, I wish you a very memorable Christmas celebration, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye.